guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video, and I feel as if this is my most exciting unboxing video yet because this hair literally came out in April and I found it at my beauty supply store, and I've been looking for reviews or like even how the hair looks like because okay, so let me just get to hair. So the hair I'm talking about is the Passion Twist crochet that Janet collection recently released like a couple of days ago, because we're only in April. What, like literally a couple of days ago it came out and it sold out everywhere, like mostly like online stores. So luckily I found a few in my beauty supply store and I decided to snatch them. Prior to that, I try to look for online reviews, YouTube, to see if anyone has done an unboxing, because if you look at the Janet Collection's Instagram page, they have the hair there, but you can't really see like the full effect of the hair. Like they don't really go into detail how it looks, nothing. It's just a picture of like the hair, and if I'm being honest, the picture does not look good. So to jump right into it, I went to beauty supply store and I'm like, you know, I'm gonna take a leap of faith, I'm gonna get this and then do a video out there. So if anyone is contemplating about getting the hair, if you order the hair and you're really like antsy, like, oh my god, it's gonna look good, how does it look like in person, I got you. I sacrificed for you guys, and I'm gonna install this hair too, but I don't want to wait to install it. I wanted to show you guys as soon as possible, so if you feel like gonna get it, go get it. This video is gonna be raw, so I'm probably not gonna edit this, so this is like as real as it gets with me. So I got 6 packs of hair, and I got 1B. So literally I'm a 1B, but it was sold out. So I had to like get a mix of colors, but I figured with Passion Twist, like, you know, you can do like the light browns, hues, blacks, and stuff like that. So I got, let me show you guys, and this hair is long. So it's 28 inches, and on some websites I know I saw a 24 inch. However, I really think this hair is 28 inches. So I'm actually gonna get my measuring tape in a little bit, but I want to show you guys the hair, and then we can just get measuring to it. Okay, so I got 3 1Bs. That was literally the only 1Bs left. So I got 3 1Bs. So let me make sure. 3 1Bs, color 1B, which is like kind of like an off brownish. So I got 3 1Bs. One color 1, which is kind of similar to a 1B, you can say. So one color 1, a color 4, and a color 2. So my plan is to kind of just go and mix it in and stuff like that, so you guys can see as well. So I'm gonna open, I already opened the color 1 in the card. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it now again, so you guys can see how the hair comes packaged. So this is the hair as it is. I made sure to come by my window so you guys can see literally how it is. So this is the hair, how it is, and honestly it's not bad. It's pretty soft, it feels light, but the only thing I don't like, what is this, is the ends. I feel like they'll never, like, I don't know when they're gonna get, like, the ends are gonna be great, but I think for now it will do. I'm thinking of maybe I might cut the ends off or something. And if you pay close attention, I think that they tied the end. So in order to have this little thingy, they tied it so you can make it come off. I'm not sure how that will affect the rest of the hair, but I'm pretty sure that you can go ahead to cut that little snippet so it's not like a long dangly thing, because I feel like this is unnecessary. I can just cut it just to have a little bit of curl at the end. So this is it. This is how long it is. I'm gonna get my measuring tape and measure it, so give me 1 second. Well, the hair is projected to be 28 inches, which is really long. I feel personally that they should have started off with at least 20 inches, and then, you know, or even have like a variety, like if you're gonna release something, give me something to work with. Don't just give me a long length. But I decided to try this anyway. So I am 5'3", and literally like the hair is, oh, like it's ridiculously long. So I'm gonna measure just to make sure, because I saw some websites that said 24, but on Janet Collection's website they said they only made a 28. So I'm sure where they're getting the 24 from, but we'll see. So inches, I'm gonna measure it so we know the real deal. Let me take the hair out first so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let me count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So there's 15 strands in a pack, so be cautious of that. If when you're ordering, if you have a huge head, I have a huge head, I should have probably got like 8 or 7, but I decided to get 6 because this here was $9.99, y'all, and I'm like, so if I need more, I'm gonna go get it, but I think I can find a way to maneuver it. So this is how one strand looks like. Let me just measure one strand. I think it'd be easier versus trying to measure the whole thing. So I'm not gonna stretch it out or anything. Yeah, so this hair is about like 28, as it said, without like being stretched out or anything. Like it's literally, it ends at the 28 mark. However, I think that if you were to cut this little unnecessary piece, this unnecessary piece alone, y'all, is like, let me measure it for y'all to get the deeds. Wow, it's a whole 6 inches. I feel like I can literally do away with it. I can just literally cut it, as I said, to have a little piece at the end and stuff. So this is the hair. It's soft. It looks like passion twist. It's just the ends that is a problem. However, I think you can maneuver it to your style and your liking. So this is it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and install the hair, and I'm gonna record another video of what I did. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do individuals in the front. I think I'm just gonna do crochet, just so you guys can see how crochet looks like. And of course, if you wanted to do individual, you can. I'm trying to see if there's any spectacular instructions in the back. Not really, just like basic synthetic hair stuff. Use a towel when you wash it. Don't wash it in hot like water, all that basic stuff. And it shows you what, like, how to crochet and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture of all the colors that comes inside. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you in purchasing the hair. If you purchased already, it gets you excited. It gets you like, oh, I should have purchased that. I'm not sure, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll be installing this hair really soon, so come back and watch another video of that. Bye, guys.